Good morning, guys. For today's 1 minute physics thing, we are going to do a little balancing act. We're going to use torque to balance this on one end. You see that this highlighter has one of those hooks over here on the side that you use to hang it from your shirt or whatever. And then I want to use that to be able to balance it on one end. Now, balancing this on one end is really difficult. If you try to do it by itself, it's going to fall down like that. It's going to keep falling down. Doesn't like it because all the weight is on one end. So I have a belt over here. And this belt has a very interesting characteristic. It's like many leather belts, a little rigid. And so you can do this. And so how does it work? The basic idea is that, well, even if you're hanging it from one side, not all of the weight is hanging from one side. You see, in order to actually see where the weight is hanging, you will have to have a reliable measure of what's on the left and what's on the right. And so if you hang it like this and you take a perfectly still vertical line like this, let's say that it's perfectly still, and you put it in front of your finger, you will see that part of the belt is on the right and part of the belt is on the left. And so some torque is clockwise and some torque is counterclockwise, and they cancel each other. So one way to think about equilibrium is to think about opposite torques canceling each other.